ordered a taxi. I'm waiting for it to arrive. But meanwhile, I'm having chai. Very good here. The monument is just literally like 2 minutes walk. Oh man, that's good. Very good. Very delicious. Right, we'll hop on a motorbike now and go to a shopping mall actually. I passed it a lot and I really wanted to go and check it out. I'm not a big fan of shopping malls, but this one is huge and I want to go and see it. Tea, milk, you got biscuits. They are delicious, by the way. I've tried them many times. And this is my cafe man. Right, the motorbike is over there waiting for me, the taxi. I finished the tea. For those who are wondering, the cost of the tea is 60 rupee. However, he wouldn't take the money. I actually insisted a lot, but he would not. He wouldn't even reach for it. He just said like, it's on me, you're my guest. It's the Pakistani hospitality and I really appreciate it. I really insisted. Rashid? Rashid?
Yes, yes.
Ah, yes. All right, off we go. Khudafis. Woo. My hand almost hit the bus. Everybody talks about cricket when I say Ireland. I don't know anything about cricket.
Hard-working team.
Huh?
Hard-working team.
A hard-working team. Is it good team? It's a good team apparently. I wouldn't know. That's the mall there. There it is. That's the mall right there. Crazy. Huge. Shukriya. All right. We made it. Man, this is a huge, like, I passed from it every time on a motorbike taxi and I've seen it. Every time I see it, I'm like, man, this is really big, like, you know? And what's nice about it, like, you know, that there's like a misconception about Pakistan, right? It's the same thing about Iran. We have it about Pakistan with the West. The West has a different kind of mentality about this country. And it's not, it's not, again, it's not a country that you think, you know, I mean, if you're coming from the West, you don't expect places like this exist in this country. But then again, there's the chaotic parts, which I haven't really showed yet on the channel, but I've experienced it myself, and I love that. Anyway, let's go in, check it out. There's a queue to enter. They search here. Cameras are allowed, I hope. That's queue. Here. All right, we're in. Man, the smell is amazing. There's a perfume shop there. You smell it.